a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 55 to 65 miles per hour expected. Areas affected include in Massachusetts, southern Bristol, Massachusetts, southern Plymouth, Massachusetts, Barnstable, Massachusetts, Dukes, Massachusetts, and Nantucket, Massachusetts counties. In Rhode Island, eastern Kent, Rhode Island, Bristol, Rhode Island, Washington, Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, and Block Island, Rhode Island counties. When, from 11 p.m. Thursday to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts include damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Precautionary preparedness actions. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. High wind watch remains in effect from